Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we are going to the beautiful island of Burano in just outside of Venice, and we have a boat to catch. Can we get through here? We have a boat to catch. One of the cool things about Venice is you're on an island, so eventually you're gonna get to the water, and you can get lost, but you won't get too lost. You just hit a dead end. And now with GPS and Google Maps and all of that, you can get to where you need to be pretty easily. Just give yourself some time, because sometimes the GPS disconnects because you're on such narrow streets. But overall, it's not too hard to get around. That's cool, man. They got a hospital. This is for their boat ambulance. I gotta go to the bathroom so bad, and I can't find a bathroom. I gotta find a bathroom, and it ain't nowhere around here. And we have a 45-minute boat ride. I don't know if they have bathrooms on these boats, but your boy's about to have a problem if I don't find a restroom real soon. Everybody want to keep me from pissing, man. Everybody. You pissed on yourself 4 times yesterday.
I don't see the problem in that. This is cool.
I'm sorry, Venice. I'm very sorry, but I had to do it.
You had very nice form.
Had nice form. I was smooth with it. Lean with it, rock with it. Huh? What you say? It's my homie right here, man. My son, we've been rolling tough for 14 strong years. That's my road dog now. I told him when he gets bigger than me, then he has to protect me. And so when I go out, man, this little dude, he be coming around just to help me out.
Yeah.
Now, that of course presupposes that just because you're bigger, that you can fight. I can still fight, but now I got help.
Yeah.
And I try to avoid situations when I have to fight. I haven't been in a fight in a long, long time. I don't want to get into it. I don't want to get into it.
Details aren't necessary.
Right. I plead the fifth. But sometimes people try to test you, man. You just try to mind your business, do your thing. But people don't want to let you do your thing. And so it's like they have a problem. I don't want no problems. But if they have a problem, I try to de-escalate and leave. But eventually I say, okay, you want a problem? No problem. Right?
Yeah.
May well been walking around here trying to fight everybody.
Wait.
Go get him, son.
We're gonna have to tackle a little dude.
239, right?
241. We running?
Let's speed walk. Let's speed walk. Let's speed walk. Let's speed walk. That's it right there. Hey.
Burano or Burano?
Burano.
I just said Burano.
This Burano and then Burano.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And we can buy tickets on the boat. We can buy tickets on board.
Maybe the
right?
tickets?
Can we buy tickets?
Yeah,
on
sure,
okay.
sure. How many tickets, sir?
5.
Five.
Can you wait till you get home?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Worked out.
We made it.
All right. Tickets when I asked the guy.
We walked to the end of the island for the most part. They got some amazing footage. Got some good pictures. And then we grabbed a pizza, a croissant, a mini pizza, a fake pizza. And then we speed walked to this boat. That's it. What you guys do?
We ate at this place at San Marcos, and we walked around and got mail with mini turtles.
Oh, you got, hey,
And then-
they got you a turtle, buddy. That's how I'll be looking when I wake up.
It looks exactly like you, Dad.
Because they're very big nipples.
What made you look like that?
Guess where we are?
Burano.
Burano. Look at these pretty houses. So this is known for embroidery and colorful houses. And it's said that they made them colorful because it gets really, really foggy here, and the fishermen wanted an easy way to find their own homes.
Oh.
Right, so let's paint them really colorful. Look at that, guys. Mommy, look at that.
Very sissy.
Straight ahead. You see that?
Young boy's better. Better than anything. Everything. All things. Mel, what's your favorite thing?
Dogs.
Young boy's better. Mom, wait, Burke, what's your favorite thing?
Young boy.
See, she knows what she's talking about. Boom! It's me and Manny Scott.
Yo, what's
We
up?
out here.
What's up? What's up, baby? Thanks for showing me love like that. I
Listen, I
appreciate
just want
it.
to say this. Your speeches, they're very good,
Yep.
but young boy's better.
Young boy.
Holding it right.
You're not real serious. You're not vlogging right if you don't hold it like that.
Listen, man. I need you to stay back. I'm vlogging.
Wait, are you Christopher Scott?
Listen, man, not today. I'm vlogging.
Wait, but I'm like your #1 subscriber. Please don't knock me out.
Me
like
too.
Kanye.
But I'm vlogging. It's 4 in the morning. Excuse me, Manny Scott. Is it Manuel Scott? Is that you? I'm vlogging. Man, I'm vlogging, man. I'm vlogging, man. I'm vlogging.
Sorry.
Hello, women's. I'm vlogging.
What's your channel?
Huh?
What's your vlog channel?
PewDiePie.
PewDiePie?
Does
Yep.
he have like 50 subscribers or something?
T-Series.
2 series?
T-Series. It's at 3%. I'll see you guys next time on Manny Scott Travels or Scott Family Travels.
We're in Burano, Italy, and it's like a beautiful, small, more colorful Venice. It's gorgeous out here.
Kids there chasing pigeons early. Do you know how hard it was for me not to start chasing pigeons with it?
Oh, you should have.
But Mom was walking away and I was like, I really wanted to do it. I did chase one pigeon though. And then there were like 5, so I would have ran too fast for them. And I would have stole all the pigeons.
You know this?
That's the highest quality chalk cat I've ever seen.
This is your tribe.
Look at that. Look at the chalk cat. Look at that. Look at
Mine's
that one got a hat. This looks like a
Mine's better.
is that I think those feet. I think that's another cat. That one got oh, look at the hair. Killing me.
The
Balloon,
mountain.
flower,
Mountain. That's snow and that's a mountain.
probably. Why you step on it? It's racist.
It's definitely.
No, not.
So, of all the places we've been so far, what's been your favorite? Chow, what's been your favorite?
Neuschwanstein or here? Or
Burano?
Paris? No, Neuschwanstein, Paris, or Burano.
Paris. Ah, okay. Very cool.
I can't decide. One of those three.
This is so pretty.
I don't want to go back. I want to stay here. I'm gonna live here. I'm done with this family. I live here now.
You're done?
Yep, I live here.
Okay, let's cross this bridge. Let's see, and then I just don't know anymore. I just don't know anymore.
I'm done with this family.
You're done? You just finished. As they say in Italy, I'm finito.
Finito, isn't that? What language is that?
I really don't know.
Is it Spanish?
You want to see my heart feelings? Did you get on camera? See.
But you see this though? Look at my fire angle. It's fire angle. See? Angles. Angles. I got an angle from right here. See?
Angles. Angles. I love it. But I don't see. Okay, there's one 8 minutes away.
Okay.
My wife asked me if I wanted to come and rid myself of the weird pedophile looking man, threatening robber looking man with a backpack and cameras.
The
loner. Or did I want to come and be a family man? Because I sometimes wander off. No, I just wander off and take pictures, and so everyone's looking at me like, who's the guy by himself with all the equipment?
The backpack.
With the backpack.
Alone.
He's probably a criminal, but he's using the camera as a decoy. But he's probably gonna rob us or hurt us. Oh, he's with the family. Oh, maybe my narrative was off. It's crazy. My family makes me look civilized and presentable and safe. But without them, you know what I am? I'm a criminal.
Stop. Look at your family though. Look how beautiful it is. Say hi. Here, little girl, the little boys. Little girl and little boys.
They're so well adjusted too. They're so well adjusted. Yeah, so I get a lot of people staring at me. I'm so used to being stared at, I don't even care no more. Well, I do care if I see them staring for longer than like, I don't know, 30 seconds. That's when sometimes I'll just wave at them. But I'm like, you know I see you see me staring at you, and you're still staring like I'm a zoo animal. I know I'm cute, but come on, man. And they be staring at my wife. They be looking at her like...
I don't even care. I don't pay attention.
Well, I have to pay attention.
You stare at me all the time like a zoo animal.
I stare at you like a zoo animal?
Every day.
What's wrong with Chris?
I let Bert have my phone on the way. And he had my phone on the way, and now she got it in my back, and he's crying.
You heard, buddy.
That was nice.
That was nice.
That's fun.
All right, so there you have it. We had an amazing day walking around Venice and going to that beautiful, colorful island of Burano, Italy. Now we're gonna grab dinner, eat dinner, and just chill for the night. Thank you for rolling with us. Thank you for being with us on this journey. We are out.